north of Ashton, north of Franklin Grove, that also has pretty strong rotation on it.
We are getting a report that it is doing damage near Ashton, and debris is being seen from I-88. That is relayed by the Davenport National Weather Service. They're also looking at power flashes in that area. But again, a large and dangerous tornado that is showing power flashes as well as golf ball size hail, and reports of damage being shown near Ashton is making its way toward Rochelle by 6:59.
The air is garbage, though.
Go to basement now.
Going right through.
No, it's not. It's not as close as you think it is.
Where's Addison?
Basement. Don't tell me.
Holy crap. Shh, Billy. Oh my God, look at the debris.